Here's how to use Apple Pay on PlayStation Store. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the PlayStation Store and select a game that you wanted to purchase. Afterwards, what you need to do is go ahead and add it to cart and click on the cart options that you will see at the upper right. After clicking on the cart options, you will be redirected on the game that you just added to cart. Now, what you need to do is to click on the confirm purchase. After clicking on the confirm purchase, you will be redirected on the page where you will be able to see their enter discount code or add payment method. Now, what you need to do is to click on the add payment method. After clicking on the add payment method, you will be able to see there the wallet options that is available. Now, what you need to do from your controller is to swipe right until you see there the pay with Apple Pay and click on it. Afterwards, what you need to do is to scan the code with your iPhone or iPad so that you can complete the purchase with Apple Pay to Play Store.